Today we're going to install the Whiteline center, roll, and bump steer correction kit on a 20-year-old car. But we're going to need an air hammer first to remove the old parts.
Yeah.
Just have to swap, like, send. Okay, never mind. Ooh. I got yourself a forehead. Ah. Might have to figure out something to do with that. Looks already.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Love that thing.
Didn't take long at all. Didn't take long at all.
Wow.
Tie rod ends off. It says for alloy arms. Reinsert steel.
Yeah.
I don't think we have that here.
Yeah, no, it doesn't come with that.
It says here that roll center adjust kit is designed to raise front roll center geometry by using new specialized ball joints. Also improving original bump steer by using new. Man. Look how good it looks. It looks good. I don't know about you, but I'm a sucker for just like parts looking good. It just looks like it's rigid and ready to take a beating. Looks awesome.
Awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce.
All right. I think both of them actually are 30 foot-pounds.
So torquing, just spec. You said both are 30.
I can't tell if that's. Yeah, that's it. Other way, like.
Yeah.
Ain't no way anybody was getting into that one.
No.
If you don't have one of these, invest in one.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if it's a cheap one or not. Just invest in one. It makes it so easy, so much easier.
Because when you work on old things typically require persuasion. Good lord.
It's got rust.
Looks like rust.
I have to replace that.
You look closer.
Don't look good.
That does not look great. Be something else for the list.
I might have one to replace that.
Ooh, man. Look at that joint.
Just falls apart.
That looks horrible.
I need to break that loose.
Yeah.
Shoot.
That does not look good.
Let's see if I can. Get a screwdriver.
You get a screwdriver?
Ugh. I found it. There it is. Yeah, I hit it a couple times and it started moving, so.
Tool deal.
Maybe. hold it right there. I'll hit it a couple times.
Just hold it where it's at.
Yeah. See it coming out?
Mm-hmm.
Holy moly, that thing is rusted. Look at that.
Shoot.
Show the camera that. I don't think we would have got that off without that air chisel, air hammer. Good lord.
No. Well, actually, I got it, kind of. So it's been cleaned. It's a lot better. Invest in air tools. That's the lesson we've learned today, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Oops, never done it. A little more better. All right, ready?
Yep. There it goes.
There it is.
One more. A little bit
One more.
further. Almost. There you go.
All right. Cool deal.
Serious.
Don't build cars, people.
Don't build Subarus.
Yeah, for real.
Get you a Honda.
Channel about Subarus. Buy a Honda.
You don't want to spend $8 grand in a
Few parts. Buy a Honda.
Yeah.
You'll be able to build
1,000 horsepower. Pull down on this.
All
I'm
right.
gonna try to pull up on this.
Strongman stuff.
Maybe.
All right.
Oh well, that ain't too bad, is it?
It's taking a lot of strength.
All right.
Okay.
Like you didn't have to pull down that far. It's on there.
I just wanted to clear it.
You did that.
Did that really well.
I'm gonna put some anti-seize on that too. A little bit.
Brought to you in part by Anti-Seize. Put this shit on everything.
You want it to come off, especially if you live up in the northern
Oh yeah.
states.
Oh yeah.
This car came from the northern states. I'm surprised it ain't got more rust under it than it already has. I can't see.
This one is also torqued to 30 pounds. Correct?
Yeah. Pain in the butt to do.
Me either. That thing you say?
It's battery probably.
Is that?
There it is.
I hate doing that. I went with 30 foot-pounds.
All right.